There's a bird that's been talking late at night lately, and I don't know what kind of bird it is, but it's so unusual. I'm going to record him. So I'm going to find out what kind of bird this is. And sometimes he screams. And I don't hear another one, but there's got to be another one somewhere answering. You hear the birdies? Won't you still hear the birdies? Wow, what a beautiful song. I've literally never had a bird that talked at this time. Is that a baby? The other sound sounds like a baby. Maybe he's teaching him something. I'm intrigued. It's 10:19 p.m. So I think there's two interacting for sure at this point. When I get to heaven, I want to know what the birds have been saying. That's the first thing I want to know. I swear it's pleasant through the windows through the walls when I go to sleep to hear this. don't recall that this bird speaks early in the morning, but he is a 10 o'clock bird. See, I think that's another one. So I think there's at least 2 birds, maybe 3. I think I know that the loud one is the male. I just feel like it is. I feel like that's got to be a baby, because he can't squawk very much yet. Beep. I don't know. All right. Good night, everyone.